Pulled the first pack in Algeth'ar, thought it'd be the same, but they added bleeds to the pole. Now I'm playing a different game. Two big melee hits, a dot that I can't see. If I miss the timing by a second, it's goodbye to me. Nobody else feels it, just the guy with the shield. DPS is blasting, healer's already healed, but I'm the only one who has to do his homework tonight, just to survive the pull that used to feel alright. Tanking is a job now, not the game I used to know. I just wanna lead my team, not die on the first pull and go. Why you gotta make it so damn complicated, Blizzard, please? I put on plate and grab my shield, but I still die on my knees. Nexus point left side, that Arcanist starts to glow. Magic damage on the tank, how the hell was I supposed to know? I studied on the beta, watched 3 different guides, but the average player logs in and just slowly dies. I don't need to fight for my life on every single pack. I already feel the pressure, I can make a single crack. One mistake and the keys brick, the goop falls apart. I'm supposed to be the rock, but I'm breaking at the heart. Tanking is a job now, not the game I used to know. I just wanna be the guy they say thank you for tanking when we go. Why you gotta check me with mechanics no one else can see? I wanna have some fun again, I do homework before I play. Broomhawks are laughing, staggering through the pain, while I'm popping everything just to stay alive again. I love this role, I swear I do, but man, it's getting old when being good at tanking means you gotta do what you're told. Tanking is a job now, but I still show up every night, 'cause when the run goes smooth and the group says nice, for a moment I remember why I ever picked this fight. Yeah, tanking is a job, but it still feels right.